Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today, I want to share with you about AirDoctor's newest air purification machine to the family. They've got a great lineup, and I use a couple of their different models. This is the 2500. This has just come out. I think they did a pre-sale previously, which did very well, sold out very quickly. But this one, as you can see, you can hang it on the wall, or you can have it as a standalone, which is great. So this is perfect for those smaller rooms, a kid's bedroom, could be your kitchen, it could be your garage, office, those size rooms. And one of the great things too is right now it's a great time to take advantage of the sale on sale price. So that's actually better than the normal sale price. And my referral link is actually better pricing than the corporate site. And I'll put my link in the description as well as on the comment section. So we'll go ahead and click on shop now just to show you a few things here. And as I mentioned, it does also say that it's wall mountable or it's floor standing, and it uses the Ultra HEPA filtration system and also has a remote control. Some of the other machines now have the ability where you can control it through the app through Wi-Fi connectivity. So when you buy those, then you would need to pick that option. This one just has the remote control, but you can get that with the 3500, and here, like you can see here, the 3500i, and you can have the app there. So that's very cool, but we'll just stick to the 2500 for the moment. So again, you can save $150. So the normal price is normally $489. The sale price is $359, and the sale on sale price is $339. So you're saving $150. Great deal. And again, through my referral link. Now, one of the other great things is you could save 10% on air filters through my website as well. And that's something recently that was made available. So you can get the bundled pack, which is the 3 different filter system that you can get for this 2500 if you need that, or you could buy it separately as well as, and additionally you can buy it for the other machines through the website as well at a 10% discount. So you can see here you've got the 2500 Ultra HEPA replacement filter, and you'll see that on many machines out there that just have just the Ultra HEPA. And yes, it does a lot there. You could see it helps with capturing ultrafine airborne contaminants like pollen, mold spores, smoke, pet dander, bacteria, and viruses. But now you can add the 2500 carbon gas VOP trap replacement filter. And then lastly, you have the replacement pre-filter, which you can vacuum, which helps the filter last longer. So again, you can save 10% there. So check it out. Check out the other units as well. And if you are looking for a whisper quiet one, I will tell you that you're probably going to want to really look at the 5500. But the 5500 is the largest unit that works for the largest space. There you could save $300 on the unit, and the most popular unit again is the 3500. So you could see the difference there. Let's see, it's $50 more to have the Wi-Fi unit, and I really like that. It's a nice feature, and you can check that out as well. So let me know if you have any questions. Check out the new AirDoctor 2500 today, and I appreciate your time. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.